Here we are. Ramp slow-mo tutorial. Let's get right into it. Open Adobe AfterEffects. Open a new composition. Make sure the settings are correct for your clip. In my case, it is NTSC-DV D1/DV NTSC 0.91. It's very important for the VX clips for them to be the right size so they all look the same. It's very important for it to be the exact same size so it's the highest quality it can be. Drag your clip into the project folder. Then you're going to drag your clip into your sequence down below on the left. You are going to then click on Graph Editor on the bottom left. Looks like this. On the bottom, you're going to wave your mouse over the boxes until you see Choose Graph Type and Options. You're going to make sure that the Edit Speed Graph has a check next to it. Next on your toolbar, wherever it is, mine's on top, you're going to click Layer. Make sure that the clip that is in your sequence is selected. When you hit Layer, you're going to go to Time, and then go to the arrow to the right, and then go to Enable Time Remapping. You want to put your keyframe where it makes sense. As far as skateboarding goes, you want to try a rail trick or a flip trick. Something with a cool sound and some grinding or flipping or screaming. It all sounds cool. You can do whatever. Be creative. There's no limits to it. Then you're going to click on the diamond in between the two arrows next to your time remap effect. Deselecting is important. Click between the lines. Click for your next keyframe. On the right of your keyframe, hold Shift, drag right. Make sure the decline of your effect looks like a vertical wall on both sides. Hold Shift, then drag your right keyframe, the small yellow circle, up. Same with the left. I'm not sure why I do it this way, but I've always have. Ever since I started doing this in like 2006 or 7. Alright, let it render. Push spacebar or whatever, play, let it play, it renders itself. It's cool now, you don't have to push anything, it just plays itself, and you could hear it too. Then if you want to manipulate it, you click on Shift and the yellow circle and drag it in. Make sure you do not go below the gray line. It goes to 0% speed and pauses. Now the final stage, exporting, so you can get your ramp slow-mo to your editing program. You are going to click Composition on the top bar. Send to render queue. You used to have to click lossless, and you used to have to click a button to make sure there was audio on the clip. Back in the day, who remembers that? Anyways, you click on Output 2. Then you name and place your file and folder to stay organized. Don't forget to save output to, then choose Apple ProRes HQ. You are almost ready to go. Hit render and then wherever you saved it to, go make sure it worked. There you go. Let me know what you liked about the tutorial. Let me know what you didn't like. Let me know what you might want to learn in the future.